morning and welcome back to the KSHOW and to the Wittmann booth. When it comes to saving material, the first thing that comes to mind is the circular economy, and rightly so. But there are often technologies that can help reduce material usage, and that becomes especially important when the material isn't just a standard cost factor, but really expensive. The secret weapon for saving material is our micromolding with our MicroPower machine. Hello, Martin.
Hi, Dan. Good to see you.
Good to see you too. Martin is our product manager for micromolding. So Martin, why is the MicroPower so well suited to saving material?
Yeah, basically the MicroPower has a special injection unit, and that's why we can reduce the amount of material for the sprue to an absolute minimum. So the customer can save a lot of material and also save a lot of money, because saving material, saves money. And also when you think of expensive materials like PEEK, for example, every milligram counts when you really reduce the sprue.
That's brilliant, Martin. Could you explain to us and the people on the video what the part is that's been molding on the MicroPower at the show?
Yeah, actually we have here a lab on a chip part, so it's a very tiny medical part. Just to see it, it's just a small part, so not really so special, but when you really look into detail on the part, then really the magic happens, and this is what we can see also on a microscope.
And so for this material, do you use a standard granulate or does it have to be a micro granulate?
No, it just can be just standard granulate, so there is no micro pellets needed because the MicroPower has just a 40mm screw, and also our material dryer is really designed for this type of material, so there is no special granulate needed.
Thank you so much, Martin, and have a great show.
Thank you, Dan. You too. See you.
So standard granulate sizes are also the key parameter for the proper functioning of a granulator. And I think I just have the right person who we can speak to about that. So the tiny dimensions of the parts produced on the MicroPower we saw earlier would practically qualify as dust in a granulator. And that's something we want to avoid as much as possible. I'm now joined by Dennis Metrol, our International Sales Manager for Granulators at the Wittmann Group. Dennis, which product would you like to show us, and how does this granulator help save us material?
We exhibit for the first time on the KSHOW the two new granulators, the range of screenless technology, S-Max Primus, model 2 and 3. We manufacture this with a lower cost compared to the standard version of S-Max model, because with less option, we also change the design of the cutting tool to be more affordable. And this is a very good solution to recycle inline some plastic from polyamide reinforced with fiberglass.
That's perfect, Dennis. Thank you so much. So there's so much more for us to explore. So why not visit us on the show and experience saving material for yourselves? And don't forget,
it's all Wittmann.